Hey everybody, good morning on this beautiful day in Mont Saint-Jean, France. I am going to be meeting Peter today, and he is a friend of mine who's a construction guy, and he's Russian and he doesn't speak much English, so you're gonna have to use your captions on this one. So we're gonna get his thoughts and my thoughts on these homes behind me, as you can see, in my car. This is the front of the roof of house number 1, Maison 1. As you can see, it's done. So that's why I was thinking of doing this one first. So we're gonna get Peter's thoughts. So we're gonna go up to the second floor. Peter's going up there right now. And I'll show you the roof. See, the beams are really old. I think this house is 500 years old. Pretty sure it's 500 years old. There are the bats. See, those are the bats. See them? I wish we could see. I could show you. Okay. Peter? Messy. So I'm gonna go up and show you the roof with this ancient ladder. The previous owner, he told me he did the roof. But I don't know why he didn't do maybe it was for cost, but look at this. I'm not gonna, there's an armoire over there. And this is it. See, I don't want to go up there because I don't feel like it's safe. I'm gonna come back down. But yeah, these beams are done, and I guess some of the roof was done. This looks good. This roof looks okay, actually. So they put the roof on old beams, but these, wow, this is a catastrophe. And these stones, they all need to be what's called positioned. They need to be repositioned. And that's going to take time because it needs cement, mortar.
Il y a chauffe-eau.
Oui.
Il est où, lavement? Il est où?
Oui.
En haut?
Pas d'électricité.
Ok.
Seulement 7. C'est bien?
Ouais.
Le bois? It's really dark in here, so I'm gonna have to turn this off, you guys. So we'll be back soon. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna show you. And that's Peter.
Ici, pas de l'eau dans cette maison. Pas d'électricité.
Pas d'électricité, pas du tout. Look at these cool. These are super cool sketches I found in here. The stuff you find in old French homes boggles the mind, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, just wanted to show you that, how to do this, show you. Hey everybody, I wanted to give a recap on what this video accomplished today. And I was fortunate enough to have Peter come out and take a look at the homes. And what he gleaned from it was, number one, it needs electricity.
Number 2, I need a van. I got to get a van, a camion. And number 3, he thinks it's going to be expensive. But there are ways around that because yours truly is going to be doing the renovations. We're going to be doing it together. So I appreciate Peter's time and his insight, and I look forward to using him in the future on this project at some point. But that's it for today. We got our work cut out. I got my work cut out, and I want to thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, because it really does help the channel grow. So everybody, we'll speak soon. I'll see you later on in the week with a new drone video, and you take care and speak soon.